Alright, so here we are. We got my 13 Charger Heavy Pursuit. Kind of doing the typical Pursuit thing, and has some noisy, I'm hoping not to be lifter issues, but you never know. So this will be my next kind of few videos, hopefully. Depends on what's wrong with it. Oh yeah. Oh, mama. But it's a cold start. Just got off of work. Gonna be working on it here after work till she's done. Is not gonna be a winter vehicle, but mid muffler delete. You can hear it just a little bit. It's a little ticking. I know it's cylinder 5, so that's where we're gonna start. Cylinder head completely kind of stripped down for the valve train. Went in there with the borescope, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but one of the retaining clips came off. That's the ticking that you heard. But the real shocker is these push rods. Cylinder 1 and cylinder 7, they're not happy. Looks like I'm going chromoly, so in the meantime, pull the passenger side off. And there's those stanky Motorsports. Hold down. This is my old lifter. And what happened was my retaining clip came out, it pumped up with oil, and it pretty much locked itself there. So it wasn't closing the valve all the way, which is why I had no, that cylinder was not holding any pressure. I thought it was a bad cam because, well, it just had a dead cylinder. So, pros and cons of owning a cop car. You really got to watch your idle hours. So I think it's every hour is equivalent to 53 miles. If you're gonna get a Charger, a really good place to go for support and everything, if you have Facebook, it's Retired Police Chargers. I do believe that's what it's called, but really good people to talk to. I'm on there. It's great. One thing to do 100% for sure, if you're gonna get any type of fleet vehicle that was used by, whether it be city, state, anything, run the VIN number, call a dealership, get a full rundown on everything that was done to it. The motor in this car was replaced at 89,000 miles. I'm at 99,000 miles. I bought it with 96. Actually, you guys already know this. But it's got a lot of power. I like it. Fastest I've ever had this car up to out on the Mexican highway was, I think it was 138 miles an hour before I threw a wheel weight. And it was on these American Racing wheels too. The exhaust, that only cost me like 80 bucks. The wheels and tires was about 1,500. Like I said, the hood was already done and the spoiler was already done. Another plus is the stereo sounds great. I mean, you know, they weren't just cranking it all the time or whatnot. But you do have to understand that, you know, at times they had to be hard on them, beat on it, but so do I. This thing gets up and moves. I really don't know what to say. Would I recommend buying one? I mean, if you're mechanically inclined, go for it, sure. There's a common issue with these is the valve train, because it just sits and idles. I mean, I have 70, let's see, vehicle info. I have 7,800 hours, 7,832 hours on this drivetrain. Everything but the motor. I thought I took a cam out. I was like, oh no, because it was, you know, shaking apart like the Space Shuttle Columbia. But yeah. Love this car. Definitely one of the best handling cars I've ever owned. One of the fastest pickups too. Ooh, look at that, the car wash is open. Okay, so at the end of the day, am I happy with it? I'm extremely happy with my car. Isn't something I would do again? Most definitely. If you have the opportunity to ride in one or buy one or anything, and you are mechanically inclined to some extent, it's not too terrible to work on. The dealership parts, they do get a little pricey. I mean, my one lifter was $97. The head gaskets, each side was right around 35 bucks. The exhaust was, I think, 25 bucks per side. I mean, it's not terrible. The head bolts you can only use once. So once they're out, you just throw them. But definitely worth it. The amount of fun, the get up and go, the power. Definitely well worth it. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. Drop a comment below. I'd like to try doing more videos of stuff that people want to see. So if you want to see something specifically, just let me know and I'll try my best. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.